All right, we are here at the surgery center waiting for them to take me back and numb the area so he can chop it off. And there's Alfred. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, he just numbed me up and marked the area that he'll be cutting. He said he'll be back in the room in about 7 minutes. So, I'm getting a little freaked out, so I don't like to be cut on. Who does? All right, see you in a bit. All right, it is a done deal. So, my doc did a good job. He numbed me really, really well, so I didn't feel really nothing. I laid there, took a little nap until he was done. And right there towards the end, I could feel a little pinch. But other than that, I was fine. And thank you all for my prayers and everyone messaging Alfred. I feel the love. All right, everybody. We will see you when we see you. God bless.